What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to change your Adobe Acrobat Reader language on Windows 10. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Open up the Adobe Acrobat Reader application. Here, navigate to Edit, Preferences, or simply use the shortcut Ctrl and K. On this window, in the Language category, you'll be able to change the application's language. Set this option to Choose at Application Startup. This will make sure that the application asks you to change to a different language the next time you launch the application. Or simply set this option to Same as the operating system. This will set the language of your Acrobat Reader to the same as your operating system the next time you open it up. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.